Okay, Sparky.
Mm-hmm. So listen, I know it's like 72 and sunny in Chicago, and it's 76 and sunny in Missouri, and it's 80 and sunny with a nice breeze and low humidity here.
Yep.
But we're going to do your fall checklist.
Yeah, get it now.
Because it's really just around the corner. I mean, you guys, you go right from nice to first snow like yesterday.
Yep.
Yeah.
So it's unfortunate. So, before it gets cold out, though, there's some things you should do to avoid winter damage. So, let's do a little get ready. Well, down here in the south, all we do is fluff our landscaping for the winter. I get some fresh mulch and, put it around because rainy season's over.
Right.
Up north, you might need to do a little bit more.
Uh-huh.
So gutter maintenance, get up on that ladder, clean out the gutters, get the leaves out of there, keep them from holding water and prevent ice damming. Make sure the downspouts are clear. Run a garden hose in the gutter to rinse them and run it down the downspouts to make sure they're clear as well.
Yes.
While you're playing with your gutters, make sure your downspouts are extended at least 3 feet from the foundation and not blocked. This keeps the water from going down by your foundation that can freeze. So this is the liquid water.
Right.
It goes down between the dirt and your foundation, then and when it freezes, becomes solid water. It can damage your damp proofing or your concrete or your block.
Right.
Or if it's an old foundation, the stone ones, it can really do damage.
Yes.
Okay, so make sure that you mulch around your foundation, if you have any, make sure it's at least 3 inches from the foundation. You
I
do
like
not want
8.
it touching. No, this is the pitch is one thing. You're saying below.
Yeah, below the
I'm
top
saying
of the foundation.
from. Yeah,
Oh.
below top. From. You do not want mulch or anything touching your foundation because that's a pathway for the insects. They crawl under in the nice warmth and they go in your house.
Oh.
So the other thing you do is if you pull it away like 3 inches, you can take powdered borax and you can pour borax around your foundation, at the foundation, and that will kill anything that crosses it, like spiders and fleas and millipedes, and that keeps them out of your house. So, and it's cheap and it's easy, and it's basically it's not going to hurt nobody other than the bugs.
That's that mule team stuff, right?
Yes.
Okay, excellent.
Go around your house, look for openings that insects or mice can get into. Use great stuff, pest block to fill those gaps. Do not fill the weep holes in your brick.
We don't know what weep holes are.
Weep holes are every 4 or 5 bricks. It will be at the end of the brick. There will be a gap, usually 2 1/4, 2.5 inches tall, 1/2 inch or 3/8 wide. That is a weep hole to allow moisture escape the wall. You do not want to block those off with caulk or foam, but you can go online and you can buy stainless weep hole covers, and you can actually just squeeze them and pop them in there, and that keeps mice out of there. Or you can fill them with stainless steel wool,
Mm-hmm.
and that will keep the mice out. But don't caulk those in.
No.
All right, the other one, look for branches hanging over your house. So make sure, because those branches, those become natural bridges that will allow raccoons and squirrels to gain access to your attic. So make sure all the branches are cut back, so that they don't hang over your roof. Not to mention, it also helps keep leaves out of your gutter. So
Yeah.
Go figure.
Take that raccoon highway out. Get it out of there.
Right.
Yep.
Winterize your irrigation systems or anything that holds water all summer. Make sure you blow the lines out and get out any sitting water.
Mm-hmm.
Get in the habit of removing the hose from the sillcock to avoid freezing and splitting it inside the house.
Yes.
You always see that all the time. People leave their hose connected.
Yep.
Well, it's frost-proof. Not when it's connected, it's not, because it's designed to drain.
Yep.
But when you leave the hose on, can't drain, freeze, and it freezes inside the house.
And then
So
that's how you flood the basement in the spring, because you turn it on and all of a sudden it starts leaking.
Okay, so if you're in a house for the first time, this is maybe your first winter coming up in this house, go around right now, open up all the base cabinets, the sink bases, and look at the back panels. If they have big holes in them or chopped up, go get some 1/8-inch hardboard and take a knife and just make new back panels and then seal those all off, because that's where the mice will get into your kitchen in a heartbeat.
Mm-hmm.
So make those up once a one-time thing. Get your furnace tuned up now. Don't wait for the first cold snap.
Yep.
When it's clean and adjusted, it'll burn more efficiently, resulting in better comfort and lower heating costs. I only had a couple more to do.
Wow.
But they're
Do
not
it next
important.
hour.
Nope.
Excellent.
Enjoy your winter.
Yeah.